4,000 people, 4,000 of them are buying a gel that supposedly repairs gum damage and fixes loose teeth. The brand behind it, Mullend Teeth Repair Gel, claims it's packed with hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10, aloe vera, and chamomile. They even call it 1,000 years of healing wisdom. Before we go any further, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm breaking it down so you don't get misled by bold claims and fancy wording. Because when a tube of gel promises to reverse gum disease and tighten loose teeth, that's not optimism, that's a red flag. So I did what the ads hope you won't do. I checked what customers actually received. And here's where the story starts falling apart. Multiple verified reviews on Trustpilot say the ingredients on the tube do not match what's advertised on the website. Instead of the miracle formula, the label lists water, glycerin, propylene glycol, carbomer, triethanolamine, and peppermint extract. That's it. One reviewer said the only active ingredient seemed to be peppermint, and even then, barely. Several people also mentioned the texture isn't a gel at all, but a watery liquid that leaks out of the bottle. Then there's the refund policy. The website promises a 60-day money-back guarantee, but customers report being told they can only return unopened products within 14 days, and returns are shipped to China, often costing more than the product itself. So how are you supposed to test if it works without opening it? Exactly. Now let's talk about the science, because this part matters. According to American Dental Association, Healthline, and multiple periodontal sources, receding gums do not grow back on their own. No over-the-counter gel can regenerate lost gum tissue. The only treatments that actually restore gums are professional procedures, like gum grafts or laser therapy performed by dental specialists. At best, this gel may freshen breath or soothe minor irritation, but its core promise, repairing gums and fixing loose teeth, is scientifically impossible with peppermint-flavored liquid. So what's the verdict? This product doesn't heal gums, it markets hope. If this saved you from wasting money on flavored water in a tube, perfect. I investigate products that promise miracles so you don't pay for them. Keep questioning everything, and I'll see you in the next one.